How do we write effective feedback for scenario-based e-learning? If you're already creating scenario-based e-learning or you're just getting started using this technique, you can learn how to provide better feedback. Better feedback gives learners information to make better decisions. It helps them understand why their choices were right or wrong. When you improve the feedback you provide, you increase the impact of what you create. We often just tell people directly if they're correct or incorrect. We have so many other options for providing feedback, though. We can show realistic consequences for the decisions learners make. We can do meters to make the invisible visible. We can show character responses and evoke an emotional response. We can show warnings and realistic consequences for safety or troubleshooting. In my session, we'll review a bunch of different options for providing feedback that's more interesting and helpful than, "Sorry, that's wrong." Maybe you have questions about how to provide better feedback. For example, should all feedback be realistic consequences? How can I make coaching feedback more effective? Should all feedback be given right away? How are novices and experts different in what they need for feedback? And if we want to do all these realistic consequences and cool things, how do we get this information from our SMEs? All of these questions will be addressed in my session. I'm going to share both based on a bit of research and my own experience with what works. If you'd like some inspiration and techniques for creating better feedback for scenario-based e-learning, join me in session 202 on Tuesday, March 27th at 1 p.m. See you there.